Hi there, students. Stonking. An adjective, an informal adjective. When I first thought of making this video about stonking, I thought this is going to be really easy. Stonking. It's an informal British way of saying very big, very large. It's used to talk about, to give emphasis to how big or how heavy or how expensive or how good something is. So we had a stonking party last night. There was a stonking great explosion. Okay, very, very big, very, very strong. This is the meaning of stonking, extremely. Yeah, extremely big, extremely good. So I was given that. I was given a stonking sandwich. It was enormous. Yeah. I'm told that they won a stonking prize. Yeah, you can actually use stonking as an adverb as well. That was a stonking good meal we had. That was a really good meal. It's more common as an adjective though. So stonking, impressively large, impressively exciting. That was a stonking match we went to yesterday. Yeah, it was really good. It was absolutely stonking. That was she's stonkingly beautiful. Yeah, it was a stonking success. Okay, he gets a stonking salary. Yeah, the tickets are a stonking price. You know that the oil companies made a stonking profit last year. Yeah, you really need to go to this restaurant because the portions are stonking. They're enormous. Okay, he gave a stonking performance in the match. So stonking, easy to use. And then I thought, well, this obviously comes from the verb to stonk or a stonk, and but I'd never heard the stonk used as a verb. Anyway, to stonk, a stonk, an artillery bombardment. To stonk, to bombard. Yeah, so it's military slang for a bombardment or to bombard, but I've never heard it used like that. And then I also found a stonk is a word used in finance talking about a stock that is rising, a stock that is doing very well, a stonk, something that's very, very profitable as well. Okay, so a stonk, a heavy concentration of artillery fire, or stonk, it's a deliberate misspelling of stock. Yeah, and it's one that has been rising very, very rapidly. It's a stock that's going up very rapidly, and people seem to be making a lot of money. I've not heard it used like this as well. Okay, so I like this comment. When the market drops 25%, then people will stop saying stonks and start calling them stocks again. Okay, for me, stonking. So this was a stonking video. It was a really good one. 3.5, 3 out of 10 informality. Use informally. No further. Yeah. Use it as an informal word and no more. And origin, I can't find anything about the origin of this. Yeah. So I'd be glad if anybody could put forward some suggestions about it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Yeah, it was a stonking video, wasn't it? Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. bye for now. Stonking and stonk, I guess, as well.